Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's topic, what we are going to see is our review and preview show, and let's see what has the market done, and let's preview on what is going to happen in the next day of the market.
All right, guys. So coming to Nifty, we just saw just a 20 points negative in the last trading session, and the overall sentiment of the market is still in buy trend. So need not worry about any corrections. So even if corrections are there, just look at it as an opportunity for buying in the coming days. Maybe if you would have missed a good stock, it has already gone up. If the market gives a correction, it's just an opportunity where we can buy it back again at the lower price. So need not worry about Nifty. The overall trend is in still buy trend. So there is no so the overall sentiments are in bullish market. So there is no fear. Need not worry about any kind of downtrend or a correction. Still, the market is bullish according to Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty, we may see a correction if at all the market breaks below this support level. That is around 35,000. So in case if Bank Nifty closes below 35,000, we may see a correction, and even that correction is not going to be a overall downtrend. It's just a correction where we can see 33,500, and so yet it's a big correction of 1,500 points. Yet the overall trend is still in a buy trend. It can be just a correction, but the overall market will be in still bullish in the weekly charts. So need not worry. Look for good banking stocks as well. And coming to gold. So gold, as we said in the last videos as well, that is 1905. So 1906. 1906 is a major resistance level, and the market is not able to break above the resistance level, as we have seen in the last video. So until and unless gold closes above 19,906, we cannot expect a buy trend again. So my advice now is it is better to wait for now. In trading gold, we can just wait for 1 or 2 days until the market closes above 1906. We don't want to rush ahead of the market, where we may see a correction as well. Since the market has gone a very huge uptrend, we may have a correction. But what I'm suggesting is wait for some time, since the daily chart has not given any kind of a trend reversal sign. So it is better to wait for the market to stabilize itself. In case if it is a correction, yes, it's a correction for 50%. Even if it is going to be a buy trend, it is better to wait and watch gold break above and close above 1906. Then we can go for a buy. So until then, we can hold gold for some time. All right. So that is for the review and preview today. Thank you.
All right, guys. So this was our review and preview for today, and I hope it was useful. And thank you very much for joining. Take care.